Hi, welcome back to another module in the Maxi Agent tutorial series. In this module we'll be looking at adding a new user to Maxi Agent. Now I'm logged into Maxi Agent as the administrator, and to get to the user section I'm going to click on admin and then on add new user, and when we enter this section you'll see we're faced with a fairly standard looking form. I'm going to start by entering the user's details and start with a salutation. This is a Mrs. Joan Baxter, who is a new agent joining our office. Her username and password needs to be unique to her, so that when she logs into the system she sees her own content. If you know the spouse's name, enter that. To select their birthday, click on the calendar icon, select the month and year, and then birth date. Enter the user's email address, and if you know the alternative email address you can enter that too. Let's just call it alt at isp.com as an alternative email address, and then next enter the user's phone number, fax number, mobile number. Let's get that to work, and if they have an alternative mobile number you can enter that there. Enter the user's ID number, and then check the status of the user. In this case the user will be active. The status allows you to switch on and off a user if they become inactive in your operation, and then in this section you can link them to a user on the SO Home Traders back office. So here I've clicked on the button and I'm now going to search for this user in the SO Home Traders system, and I found her. Yes, she is currently listed in SO Home Traders, and there she is. Click on her name and it has now created a link between SO Home Traders and the Maxi Agent back office. Next, select a group for this agent. She's going to be in the sales group, and she's a general user. Now let's add a photograph of this agent. So I'm going to click on the browse button, or click on the field, and then browse to a folder on my computer where I've saved images. And in this case I'm going to the agents folder where I've got a photograph of the agent, and then under the address details fill in their address, and we'll start with the postal address, the suburb, city, province, pretty standard stuff, postal code, country, and if the other address is the same as the postal address you can just click the button here and it'll populate that section. And then lastly you can add a biography for this agent, and that will be read by users when they visit the SO Home Traders website to see what the agent has done in the past. And lastly, to finish, click on the save button, and this user has now been saved in the back office. You can get a confirmation screen of the user's details, which you can see there, and once you're satisfied with that you click the OK button and you can see Miss Joan Baxter is now added as a sales agent in our back office.